What if I told you AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how AI chatbots work. AI chatbots use machine learning to understand and respond to queries. They analyze data patterns and improve over time. These bots can handle multiple conversations simultaneously. They offer 24/7 support, reducing wait times. Natural language processing makes interactions feel human-like. They can be integrated with other systems for smooth operations. AI chatbots also gather valuable customer insights. This data helps businesses improve their services. With every interaction, chatbots become smarter. Imagine a world where customer service is instant and efficient. That's the power of AI chatbots. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more insights on technology.
Here's a step-by-step explanation of how an AI chatbot works. 1. User input. Step: a user sends a message to the chatbot. Details: this message could be a question, a command, or a general statement. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. Step: the chatbot processes the user input using NLP techniques. Details: NLP involves several substeps: tokenization, breaking down the input into individual words or tokens. Normalization, converting the input to a standard format, e.g. lowercasing, removing punctuation. Part-of-speech tagging, identifying the grammatical parts of the sentence. Named entity recognition, NER, identifying proper nouns and entities in the input. Dependency parsing, understanding the grammatical structure and relationships between words. 3. Intent recognition. Step: the chatbot determines the user's intent. Details: using machine learning models, the chatbot classifies the user input into predefined categories of intents, e.g. asking for weather, booking a flight. 4. Entity extraction. Step: the chatbot extracts relevant entities from the user input. Details: entities are key pieces of information needed to fulfill the user's intent, e.g. dates, locations, names. 5. Context management. Step: the chatbot maintains the context of the conversation. Details: this involves keeping track of the conversation history and any relevant information from previous interactions to provide coherent responses. 6. Response generation. Step: the chatbot generates a response based on the recognized intent and extracted entities. Details: there are two main approaches: rule-based, predefined responses based on specific rules. Generative, using machine learning models to generate responses dynamically. 7. Natural language generation, NLG. Step: the chatbot converts the structured response into natural language. Details: NLG involves constructing a grammatically correct and contextually appropriate response. 8. Response delivery. Step: the chatbot sends the response back to the user. Details: the response is formatted and delivered through the communication channel, e.g. chat window, voice interface. 9. Learning and improvement. Step: the chatbot learns from interactions to improve over time. Details: this involves collecting feedback, retraining models, and updating the knowledge base. Example interaction. User input: what's the weather like today in New York? NLP tokenizes and normalizes the input, identifies parts of speech, recognizes New York as a location. Intent recognition determines the intent is to get weather information. Entity extraction extracts New York and today as entities. Context management updates the conversation context with this query. Response generation fetches weather information for New York for today. NLG converts the weather data into a natural language response. Response delivery sends back the weather in New York today is sunny with a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Learning logs the interaction for future model training and improvement. This process allows AI chatbots to interact with users in a conversational manner, understand their queries, and provide appropriate responses.